Okay, so Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. I hope you are doing great today, beautiful people. So, in today's video, as you can see on the screen, we will do another grammatical analysis of a literary work. And today we are going to tackle participial phrases and commas in literary works. So, first sentence, as you can see there, I need to leave. I say, here the author used the comma for two reasons. The first one, because we have a direct speech, we have quotations, so he need to use comma I say. And the second use of this comma, he wants to show us a stylistic aspect of literature, which is to put the object at the beginning. I say I need to leave, but he chooses to put it at the beginning here. Then we have at this hour, comma, sir. Okay, here this comma is used for addressing a person, which means to address sir. I'm not talking to Yusuf or Benjamin. I'm using this comma to tackle a person who is called sir. So it is called addressed comma. He asks dubiously, comma, rubbing his eyes and glancing at the pitch black sky. Here, the comma is used here because he wants to show us that this rubbing his eyes and glancing at the pitch black sky is used as a participial phrase, function as an adjective describing the pronoun he. So is used here to show us the adjectival phrase describing he. So here, comma is used because we have participial phrase. Now he sighs, comma, taken in the scene, then gestures me inside, comma, opening the door fully. Here, use it, comma, here, and use it, comma, here, because he wants to show us that this taken in the scene, it's a participial phrase, and it describes the pronoun he. But the reason here he used two commas, so how can we understand this? He wants to show us in this text because he wants to show us that this is a non-defining participial phrase. I can remove it without affecting the meaning. Then he moved, he said, then gestures me inside, and he put another comma here, opening the door fully. So this opening the door fully is another participial phrase, and it comes back to describe the pronoun he. So we have two participial phrases, taken in the scene describing he, opening the door fully describing he. Putting on a pair of trousers, another comma, he tugs the braces over his shoulder, comma, moving in that sluggish daze that marks someone rose uncountable from their sleep. As you can see there, he used a comma here because we have another participial phrase, putting on a pair of trousers, and it describes he. And he used another participial phrase, moving in that sluggish daze that marks someone rose uncountable for their sleep. There's another participial phrase that describes the pronoun he, and that's what we call beautiful sentences in literature. We will see a video about it. Taking his jacket from the peg, another comma, he drags himself outside, comma, motioning for me to say where I am. Here we have, he used two commas here because we have taken his jacket from the peg. It's a participial phrase describing he. And another one, motioning for me to say where I am. This is another participial phrase referring to he.